Hello, guys, welcome to our channel TechAlerin. Today I am going to guide you that how to install and run Python through Anaconda easy and simple. First, open a browser. Now go to the search bar and type Anaconda download. Then click the first link. Then click skip. After that, download the software according to your operating system. Mine is Windows, so I am going to click Windows. As it is now download, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the Anaconda installation file. Now wait for it to load. Now click Next. Then click on I agree. Now make sure to select Just Me if you are downloading it only for your user. Then click Next once again. Now it shows us that where the files of Anaconda are going to be stored. If you want to change the file location, you can change it, then afterwards click Next. Now you must click the first option only and click Install. Now wait until it gets installed. Usually it takes up to 15 to 20 minutes. So let's wait. As you can see that the installation has been completed. So now we have to click Next. Then click Next once again. And now finally click Finish. Now click the Windows icon and type Jupyter Notebook. And then click on the first app. Then a black screen will be opened. Don't click anywhere on the screen and remove your hand from the mouse, as Python is starting to open. Now choose the browser in which you want to start coding in Python. I will choose Google Chrome. Now click Always. As you can see that a new tab has been opened in our browser. Now click New, and then click Notebook. Finally, the Python coding page is now opened, and here you can start your Python coding. Let's type a command to test it. Now click the Run button, and you can see that the code has successfully been run and showed us the output. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe, like, and share it with your friends so that they can also start coding with Python. Thank you for watching the video. Please leave a comment down the video that whether you installed Anaconda through this video or not. If you got any errors, then please comment below, and I will tell you the solution. See you on the next video. Bye.